powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Miwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Civilization at last!
According to my notes, the people of this region are famous for their hospitality to weary travelers.
Weary travelers? That's us! Let me at him. I could use a hot wax polish.
And a mud pack facial.
Well, the Dragon's Eye isn't showing us the way to the Dragon's Gate right now, so why not just...
Wait for me!
Yeah! Hot wax! Me want shiny! Shiny! Whoa, was it something I said?
They're in the village. They'll be easy to catch. Call General Boo.
Okay, I'll call the village, catch General Boo.
No! Oh.
I see. They were just clearing the streets for the welcome party. Me want shiny! Shiny!
Somehow, I'm not feeling very welcome.
Hello? Yikes! Me want shiny! Shiny!
Hands off!
Whoa!
Did that book say hospitality or hostility?
Maybe we offended them somehow.
You've definitely humiliated my gods. It seems you are more worthy than I had first anticipated. Now I must do what my husk warriors could not.
What are you doing?
Let our friends go.
No! The elements are mine to capture, not some two-faced queen's. How could she?
Well, there was this ugly mask and weird magic, and poof, they were gone.
I don't think he was really asking us.
A mask, you say? And magic? And a witch queen? Aha! It's all here.
Should I round up the terrors, General?
No terrors. I have a different weapon in mind. Grub, follow me.
We want to know just what is going on around here.
Here, let me try. Please, we need your help. Some warriors have kidnapped our friends and we need...
You mean you're not working for the Witch Queen?
No, am I going to attack the queen dressed like this?
No, you are not to attack the queen. Nobody is.
But how will we get the elements?
The easy way. We get the powerful reindeer mask, and it will catch the elements for us. Now, after me. When drinking tea, the pinky is of utmost importance. Forget about the tea then. Let's practice eating.
My favorite part.
Now, remember, a small bite followed by delicate chewing. Now you.
General, we can't keep the entourage waiting any longer.
They'll wait until I'm finished here.
It looks like it's gonna be a long wait.
We leave now.
You have to excuse our caution. We all thought you were creations of the Witch Queen.
Witch Queen? You mean the woman wearing the grotesque mask? That's her?
Her mask possesses incredible magic, which she uses to gather all the men in the land.
What for?
We don't know. None of those taken had ever come back, and those who remained have resorted to desperate measures to avoid capture.
Don't tell anyone I'm actually her father.
Dad, the voice!
Oh,
Oops. I mean, I'm really a mother. See, high voice. I'm a woman.
We have to do something.
The Witch Queen is violent and cruel. Who knows what she will turn you into if you confront her?
Magic or no magic, we have to get our friends back. Where can we find her?
The Witch Queen's palace.
Come on! This might be harder than it looks.
Oh boy! Me get married? I hope she pretty!
You have to learn to speak properly if you're going to convince the Queen you're worthy of her daughter.
But I know how to
If you can talk with a load of sour balls in your mouth, then you'll be able to speak clearly without them. Understand? Now say, she smells tea bells while the sea snores.
Hey, I did it!
That's it! Say nothing! Eat nothing! Do nothing! Get it? Answer me!
You said not to say nothing.
Silence!
Frozen fist! Hi-ya! Nope, it didn't work.
Maybe. You could use it on me. It's hot in here.
I'm sorry,
Ah!
but this is the best I could do at such short notice.
Must she always creep up on us like that?
But you needn't worry. After all, you won't be staying here long.
Really?
Huh?
Great!
What's the catch?
One of you must marry my daughter, or you may consider this your accommodation for life.
Intruders! Alert the Queen!
I'll handle this.
We can't marry your daughter.
We're too young. Look at me. I'm a monkey.
No excuses. For years, I've been trying to get the men of my kingdom to marry my daughter, but they all refuse.
What's wrong with her?
I'm sure she's, lovely. There must be someone who'll marry her.
There is no one. I'm desperate, and desperate times call for desperate measures.
But holding us prisoner is not going to change our mind.
Oh, you're right. Which makes you useless to me.
Ah! What have you done to us?
Enjoy the rest of your young life.
Wait, come back. Come.
Oh, look! A worm!
Ew, that's disgusting. You're not a real chicken, Jinho. We're in trouble.
This place is huge. How are we ever going to find them? Shh! Someone's coming. Quick, hide!
It's the Witch Queen.
Let's see what we can find out.
Why can't people just say yes for a change?
Mother, you really have to stop kidnapping the villagers.
There were foreigners, a talking water droplet and a metal monkey. Freaks! And even they said no. Water drop and metal monkey, that's
Raindrop and Jinho.
why won't anyone marry you?
For the last time, Mother, I don't want to marry anyone.
A royal princess must be married!
This isn't like you, Mother. It's the Raindrop mask. It's changed you.
I don't know what you mean.
The kidnappings, the warriors, the whole kingdom. Look around you. It's a no man's land, literally. You never did this when you wore the Barong mask.
I told you never to mention that mask ever again!
Barong mask, Barong mask, Barong mask!
Enough!
Tell your queen that General Boo has a proposal that will greatly interest her. Huh?
Oh? You're in luck. She's in a good mood.
Huh?
Mother, stop!
Oh, you ungrateful wretch! You dare speak against me! I am doing all this! Oh!
Paging for the Witch Queen. You have a visitor. Someone by the name of,
Boo. General Boo.
Boo, General Boo.
General Boo? Boo?
Who?
General Boo. I wonder what that malcontent wants. I'll see him in the reception hall. And do something with this room. It's a mess.
She's coming! Hide! We've got to get Raindrop and Jinho out of here fast!
How are we going to rescue them if we don't know where to look?
We don't, but I bet someone else here does. Aha!
How did you...
Let's just say it got snagged on a branch when the queen walked past.
Wait a minute.
You're the princess?
You got a problem with that?
No, not at all.
Who are you?
I'm Xiao Yan, and this is Niwa.
Sorry about the screaming.
That's okay. Everyone screams the first time they see me. Look, I'd love to stop and chat, but I've got an outrageous mother to save.
No, please wait. We need your help.
Remember, bow when you meet the queen.
Oh, General Boo. What brings you to my humble kingdom? Come to demand my surrender?
Oh, Queenie, how you jest. No, I came because I wanted you to meet Grub. I mean, Sir Grub.
Your son looks nothing like you.
No, no. He's not my son. Sir Grub is, my nephew. Yes, nephew. 3 times removed on my father's sister's side. And happens to be on a diet, so that he can look good for your daughter.
My daughter?
Queenie, on behalf of Sir Grub, I would like to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Really? I mean, really. My daughter has many suitors, you know.
So I hear, but none as dashing and as well-mannered as my nephew, surely. Besides, with our families united, think how powerful we will both become.
Oh.
You make for a very convincing argument, I must say. Ah! Where did my waiter go?
Your mother is quite the zoologist.
And she trains her animals to speak, too.
Does anyone have any spare worms? Or worms to spare?
Huh? That sounds like...
Jinho!
Oh!
Would you quit staring?
I hope you brought worms. I'm hungry.
We have so much to discuss, General. The guest list, the cake, the honeymoon.
The portraits!
Portraits?
Yes, and we'll need someplace suitable to have them painted in your palace.
That's a magnificent idea.
I think Grub is eagerly waiting to meet your beautiful daughter.
Oh, yes. No point putting it off? I think we should introduce them immediately.
Immediately.
I'm a frog. He's a chicken. We can't leave until we've changed back.
But what about General Boo?
Sorry. Force of ribbit. I mean habit.
Okay, I take your point. Where can we find the Raindrop mask?
Yes, a worm. Yum, 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 yum.
The sooner the better.
We can neutralize the magic of the evil Raindrop mask if we have the good Barong mask.
There are two masks?
My mother created them both, hoping they would make me look more like a real princess.
Well, we can see that didn't work.
You want to be a chicken for the rest of your life?
No, I didn't mean. I like that you're a fluffy, cuddly princess.
Instead, my mother became corrupted by the Raindrop mask and hid the Barong mask away. But I know where it is.
We'll split up. Xiao Yan and I'll get the Raindrop mask. Jinho and Niwa go with Keket and get the Barong mask.
I can feel the power!
Uh-oh, Husk Warriors.
Halt!
It's okay, Bob. They're with me.
Oh, okay.
This is where Mother hid the Barong mask.
That's a wall.
Hey, Bob, wasn't the princess supposed to be locked up?
Oh, coconuts! After 'em!
There's only one person who could have done that.
Flamo! And it looks like he's taken the mask.
The burn marks are still fresh. He couldn't have gone too far. Come on!
Mother's such a neat freak.
How do we know which basket contains the mask?
We'll just have to look inside every one of them.
Hold it right there.
You better do it fast. I'll hold them off.
Your nephew hasn't spoken a word since he arrived.
He prefers to keep to himself until he meets his future wife. He wants to know if the princess will find him handsome.
Oh, they'll look good together, trust me. And here we are.
What?
Is anything the matter? Where's the princess?
She's, taking a walk, somewhere. Excuse me? No, my mask! Someone stole my mask!
Queenie? Come, we've got to find Flamo.
He's gone.
That's impossible!
Everything's possible with the new and improved Flamo Frog Drop. Whoa! He's big enough for you!
Size isn't everything, but aiming is.
No one told you what this mask could do, did they? It turns your powers against yourself while giving me powers, such as this. What? Ah! Hey, you know what? I heard barbecued frog is a delicacy in this part of town. What?
Xiao Yan, catch!
That's mine!
Not anymore!
Quick, put it on and change me back!
Snap!
No. Need a little help, Jinho?
I found it.
The mask is mine! Give it back!
Oh, don't be such a drama queen. Queen?
No! No!
No!
Yeah!
Oh, my ankle.
Raindrop, we got the other mask.
Kick it. Hey, where'd you go?
Look out!
Huh?
Aha! The elements all in one place. How convenient. With the power of the Raindrop mask, you're all mine!
What on the thumb
delaying the inevitable, Frog Boy. You can't resist my power.
I've got the Barong mask.
Another mask? Great! I want that mask too! Let's loosen up that tongue of yours, shall we? You pathetic drop of water.
Pathetic, huh?
You think you can trick me? The mask will turn your powers against you.
That's what I was counting on.
I got that. Uh-oh. What?
I'm me again. Good old Monkey Bee. Woohoo!
We're human again! No more itchy masks!
Mother, you're back to being you again.
Oh, Kekit, I'm so sorry for everything.
It wasn't really you, Mother. It was the Raindrop mask.
It was me. I wouldn't have made the mask if I had accepted you for who you are.
Does that mean you're not gonna force me to get married anymore?
Well, let's discuss that later.
Now that's my mom. No doubt about it.
I hate to spoil the moment, but what are we gonna do with them?
Wake up, General!
Guards! Arrest them! Oh, that's right. I don't have any guards now.
Don't worry, we'll take care of these guys.
Please!
Wake up, General!
Ouch! Why, you little... Retreat!
Well, that worked.
Come on, there's something else we've got to do.
We made it!
Yes, and we're going back. Back there! The Queen must be taught a lesson for humiliating me. My terrors are more than a match for her troops. Charge!
I must be hungry.
It didn't come from you, you fool!
It came from the castle.
Retreat!